Hey guys, what's going on? It is Tom here, and it's been a while since I've done one of these videos explaining some work and construction. I think my last video out of Walpole was probably maybe 12, 13 years ago here. So you see the bottom right there, the Lewis Y. I think that's the last video I had of recording its replacement back in 2012 maybe. Anyhow, as you can see here, we're up maybe 200 feet right now, and as you can see, there's a visitor within Walpole Yard there. That is a Mass Coastal engine. And looks like Mass Coastal crews are working on filling a ballast car with some ballast stone and gravel. Further up, towards the top of the yard, near the Route 27 bridge, there is some ballast regulators and some type of tamper coming our way. And they're working on smoothing the ballast so it's nice and even. I got here probably around, I want to say 11 a.m. and I was actually just shocked to see the Mass Coastal unit there, and I wasn't expecting to actually run into them working in the yard, but I was glad I stopped by, and let's take a closer look. So here we see the ballast regulator in the back, making its way towards the loading process station here, and that front loader has already made several loads of ballast, as you can see there. Right now I'm just trying to get a slow pan of the locomotives, and I'm kind of wondering to myself when they're actually going to move, because that car is still not even halfway full there. Now, over the past 2 months, crews from Mass Coastal and I believe CSX have been replacing the switches. Actually might just be Mass Coastal. I believe they're in charge of the maintenance of way for the Freemium secondary, but I could be wrong on that. There has been a lot of work being done within the yard limits here. Further up towards the Route 27 bridge, I think I'll show you that later on, the switches have been replaced, and a majority of the yard is almost completely done with at least a few layers of ballast here. I just happened to stop on the right day to catch it in action. I have no clue how long this Mass Coastal engine was here for, but I'm assuming it's only been here for a couple days since last week. Now, if you're wondering where all the cars are, currently Reedville is the place to be. That yard has been packed for the past month or so with all of Walpole's cars. Now, I'm not sure if you can tell here, but as you look at the trees, it was quite windy this day. I believe it was last Tuesday. I tried to make my way north up to the Route 27 bridge here, but my drone kept losing connectivity. The satellites kept dropping, and I kept losing connections, so I didn't really want to risk the drone flying away, despite the return to home method not working in the drone. So I only went up halfway through the yard, but you can kind of see where the switches have been replaced there, and where the ballast train has already dropped ballast. And there's another tamper just outside the interlocking on the same track that ballast train is on currently. But yeah, here's a quick pan down. You can see the freshly laid ballast, a couple work trucks there. And unfortunately, my drone was running low on battery, and I had to land before the ballast train came back to the front of the yard, right across from Walpole Station. But anyhow, I believe the mass coastal unit still might be there as of this week, as of July 25th. So if you want to check it out, you may still have a couple days to do so. Thanks for watching, guys, and take care.